Dearest friends, today we're making some amazing, delicious eggplant rolls alla parmigiana together. A real delicacy. The first thing to do is to get a mandolin to slice the eggplants. Let's remove the top, as I like to say, and the bottom. I also remove the first part, the first slice of skin. We take it off, and this way we can start slicing our eggplants. If you don't have a mandolin, well, you can easily cut them by hand too, it's no problem. This is more or less the thickness we need to get. Slice the eggplants and arrange them on a tray. And we sprinkle them with salt, just a little salt. While the eggplants are resting, let's prepare a quick and simple sauce. In a saucepan, we add a drizzle of oil, a crushed clove of garlic, and a few torn basil leaves. And let the oil become fragrant. Once the oil is fragrant, we add the tomato puree. This is a rustic puree, so it's a bit thicker. See, it's thicker. Delicious. I'm adding a bit of water. A bit of salt. I cover it and let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes, no more. And after 15 minutes, the sauce is ready. I remove the garlic. I turn off the heat and set it aside. The eggplants have released their natural moisture. I rinse them under running water to remove the excess salt. And now I'm placing them on a dry, clean dish towel to dry them. And so to remove any water they may have absorbed. So we're going to do it like this. As I always say, let's put it this way. Here you go. And with another cloth, we absorb the liquid and dry them really, really well. Yes, because these eggplants will be fried. For those who want a lighter version, you can easily grill the eggplants instead. But I fry them because they're tastier. Here we go. Actually, I don't really fry them completely. I just give them a quick fry, so just a light sear. Also because they'll be put in the sauce, and so they'll keep cooking in the sauce. Pan with sunflower oil. High oleic sunflower oil, that's what I use. And let's fry our eggplants, as I said before, just a quick fry. We don't need to fry them too much. Here we go. Thank you. 1 minute on one side and 1 minute on the other. We just need to soften them up, you see? Let's drain them. And we continue with all the others. Okay, now that the eggplants are fried, we need to stuff them. How? I'm using slices of smoked provola cheese. But if you don't like it, you can use mozzarella, provolone, basically whichever cheese you prefer. And I also had this delicious buffalo ricotta, very good and fresh, so I thought I'd add it to the filling. This is of course optional. If you like it, you can add it. If you don't like it, you don't have to. In addition to the Parmesan, there's a wonderfully fragrant basil leaf. So let's start by putting a bit of Parmesan at the bottom. A teaspoon of ricotta. Parmesan. A pinch of pepper if you like. Is it too little? Slices of provola cheese. A basil leaf. And we roll it up. And we continue like this with all the others. Once all the rolls are made, now we place them in the sauce like this. And we let them absorb the flavors for about 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes of cooking, we turn off the heat and add a good handful of Parmesan cheese. And some nice fresh basil leaves. And let's plate it. And the eggplant parmigiana rolls are ready to be served and enjoyed. They are a real delight. And what an aroma, oh my goodness. They are beautiful to look at. And above all, they're delicious to eat. Look at this. Oh my, what a delight. Mmm. Mmm.